Hello everyone. Myself, Mr. Dheeraj Patil, lecturer at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Chapter 1, Creating Relational Database. Learning outcomes, relational database concept, component of relational model, introduction of SQL, characteristics of SQL, purpose of DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. So next is the integrity constraint. There are four types of integrity constraint: domain integrity, entity integrity, referential integrity, and on-delete cascade. Domain integrity constraint. It is used to maintain the value according to the user specification. The user are two types of domain constraint: not null constraint and check constraint. Not null constraint by default all columns in the tables allow null value. When a not null constraint is enforced on column or set of column, it will not allow null values. Entity integrity constraint. An entity is any data record in a database. Each database represents a table and each row of table represents as an instance of that entity. There are two types of integrity constraint: primary key constraint and unique key constraint. Primary key, it is used to prevent the duplication of the value within the rows of specified column or set of column in the table. It does not allow null value. Example: create table employee, employee ID, number, size is string, constraint emppk, primary key, employee name varchar 10, not null, salary, number, size is 10, constraint check emp, check salary is not null and salary is greater than 20,000, phone number, size is 10, bracket close, semicolon. Next is a it is the used to prevent the duplication of the value within the row of the specified column or set of column in the table. It allow null value. Create table employee ID number 10, employee name varchar 10, not null, salary 10, constraint emp, check emp, check salary is not null and salary is greater than 20,000, phone number, constraint phuk means variable, it is unique. Referential integrity constraint, it is used to establish a parent-child relationship between the two tables. Value of foreign key is derived from the primary key. Primary key define the parent table and foreign key define the child table. Example: create table product, employee ID number 5, references emp ID, phone number varchar and 10. This is the diagram shows the referential integrity. The course ID of the student table is a candidate key and course ID of the course table is a primary key of that table. On delete cascade, it is indicated that when the row of parent table is deleted, the dependent row of the child table will be also deleted. Example: create table product, employee ID number 5, references, employee name, employee ID, phone number varchar to 10. So this is the integrity constraint which depend on the each other on the column of the tables and depending the and maintaining the